What if I told you that joining IRDAI as a grade A officer not only offers you a job security but also a high paying salary that rivals top corporate jobs? Let us enter the real numbers and let us enter the details. But before we do that, here is an important information that as you would be knowing that PYQs play very important role with respect to the preparation of any competitive exam. They help you to understand the trend and pattern with respect to examination. So what you can do, you can go to the description box, you can click over the link and you can download the previous year questions. Fine, I hope it is clear to you. Coming back to the discussion, talking about salary and allowances with respect to IRDAI assistant manager post. So first of all, if you talk about the assistant manager notification, the total gross monthly salary of an IRDAI assistant manager is approximately 1,46,000, which is around 70 lakhs per year. But is it all you are getting? The answer is no. Apart from that, you would be getting different types of allowances also. For example, the children allowance, the fuel, mobile, furniture, newspaper, all such sort of things. Fine, which in total is approximately 65,150. Now, if we sum it up, that is your gross monthly salary and the monthly allowances, then the total salary is around 2 lakh rupees per month. But does it mean that you will be getting rupees 2 lakhs in your account monthly? No, it does not work like that. Why is it so? Because apart from that, there is deduction also, deduction of around 80,000 rupees from this amount. And what does the deduction include? Deductions basically include the NPS contribution, income tax also, HRA also. If you get house accommodation from IRDAI, summing it up, it is around rupees 80,000 per month. Fine. Now, if you deduct this rupees 80,000 from your overall salary, which is 2 lakh rupees per month, then your total salary, or I should say your in-hand salary, is around 1 lakh 20,000. So that is going to be the salary that you are going to receive when you become an IRDAI assistant manager. Fine. So I hope it is clear to you. Now, before we end this session, let me just show you that how basically EduTap can help you as a part of IRDAI grade A preparation. So what you can do, you can just go to the website, which is edutap.in, and over here you can go through our courses. So if I open the course for you, so just wait a second. So just look at here, courses, IRDAI grade A courses, and under this you can see that we provide two type of courses. The first is the gold and the second one is silver. The gold one includes live classes, chapter wise test, sectional test, full length test, solved PYQs, and weekly mentor talk for both phase 1 as well as for phase 2. Whereas the silver course includes same set of features, it includes all these things but for the phase 2 only. Fine. Now the course is available for different type of validities, 12 months, 18 months and 24 months. And presently we are also providing the discount, and this is a discount coupon which is EduTap that will offer you 70% off. Fine. So this is the price for which you can purchase this course if it suits you. Apart from that, we are providing the combo courses also. For example, let us say you want to go for IRDAI as well as RBI grade B preparation simultaneously. So what you can do, you can go for this combo courses also for RBI and IRDAI, for RBI, IRDAI, NABARD. Fine. So different type of combo courses are there, and you can go to a website and you can go through these options, and if it suits you, then you can go for these courses. I hope it is clear to you. So I hope the video was helpful to all of you. If you want us to make video on other similar topics, so what you can do, you can just drop your comment in the comment box and we would love to address all your queries. So thank you so much and all the best.